Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss part 2 of chapter 1 Physical Education class 11. Today, we will be discussing changing trends in physical education, various physical education courses available in India, and soft skills required for different careers. Changing trends in physical education. As time changes, importance of various things also changes. Similarly, physical education was not given much importance in olden times, but it is of great importance in today's time. In India, various initiatives have been taken by the government to promote physical education in India. In 1948, the Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation was constituted. It suggested various ways to the Government of India for improving the condition and status of physical education in India. Some of the ways were that it suggested the government that physical education should be made a compulsory subject in the schools, and also suggested to fix the standards for the selection and training of physical education teachers. In 1954, the All India Council of Sports was constituted to make the standards of games and sports better. Under this council, various training centers, coaching camps, stadiums, gyms, and swimming pools came up to promote sports activities. Especially development of sports in rural area took emphasis. In 1958, Inquiry Committee was constituted as a result of declining performance of India in the Olympic Games. Basically, ad hoc committees are temporary committees which are established by the board of directors to address a specific issue. And here, the issue in 1958 was declining performance of India in the Olympic Games. In 1984, SAI came into existence. It was established to promote sports, explore sporting talents among the youth, and ensure the nutritional needs and infrastructure facilities for the youths in India. The various initiatives taken by the government in the field of physical education has made it a multidimensional discipline. Education is helpful for all of us in various aspects of life. There are various physical education courses available in India for the students who want to pursue physical education as their career after completing 10+2 in any stream. These courses are available in bachelor's degree, whereas these are some diploma courses, these are certificate courses, and you can also find various physical education courses in master's degree too. Various soft skills are required for different careers. Some of the soft skills that are required are communication skills. The most important of all soft skills is communication skill, especially in jobs. For a good communication, we should be able to read, write, and speak clearly and effectively. Next is teamwork. Many people tend to remain isolate most of the time, due to which they are incapable of working with team. As a result of which team spirit is absent in them. So we should work with the team spirit to face challenges and reaching the common goal. Interpersonal relations. While working with other people, we need to create an environment of trust and respect. We should have the ability to share our views with others and listen to others patiently as well. Next is management skill. We know that management is needed in almost every field. So for long-term success in any field, effective management skill is important. Leadership skills. One should have the skills to lead a team and deal with the people in such a way that they remain motivated and inspired. Next, problem solving skills. Throughout our life, problems keep coming without informing us, so we should be able to face and solve those problems easily. We should be able to identify a problem and then come up with a number of possible solutions of that problem. Flexibility and adaptability. Everyone should be able to adjust themselves according to the situations easily. We should not be affected by the presence or absence of comfortable situations. We should just continue to move forward and without bothering how comfortable or discomfortable the situation is. Next is control over emotions. If one has good control of emotions, then he or she can think clearly, objectively, and according to the situation. Next is stress management skill. Pressure of work leads to tension and stress, which affects our health. So we should be able to manage the stress in challenging situation in a difficult job also. These skills prepare us to face new challenges and supports us for our physical development and promotes our physical and mental health. These are essential for a successful career. Next is perseverance and persistence. We very well know that to achieve our goal we need to remain dedicated. So these skills, that is perseverance and persistence, help us to maintain the same energy and dedication in our efforts to learn, do and achieve in our career in spite of difficulties as well as failures. These were some various skills that are vital in various careers related to the field of physical education. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.